First go to File and select Open. Select this first image and hit Open. Now grab the lasso tool, then select the restorable area like this. Then open Edit and select Content Aware Fill. Here this Photoshop restores hair like this. Press OK. Now deselect the selection and see the final result. Let's see it in the second picture. First go to the file and select Open. Select the second image, click Open. Take the lasso tool, select the restorable area like this. Then go to Edit and choose Content Aware Fill. Here this Photoshop automatically restores hair like this. Press OK. Now press Ctrl D to deselect the selection and see the final result.